Stop fighting for space around a cramped TV screen during family gatherings, and stop dealing with budget projectors that look washed out and require you to buy an expensive projection screen separately. Welcome back. If you want to turn any blank bedroom wall or backyard fence into a massive, immersive home theater layout for movies, live sports, and big screen gaming, the TMY 1080p Full HD Portable Mini Projector Bundle is your ultimate entertainment shortcut. This isn't an ordinary, low-resolution toy projector that leaves your media looking pixelated and blurry. It is a fully loaded, high-clarity multimedia powerhouse. The absolute showstopper feature of this TMY kit is its native 1080p Full HD decoding engine bundle with a specialized, custom-fitted 100-inch portable projector screen. While most competitors in this price range only support up to 720p or scale down your video files, this machine delivers true, sharp, high-definition performance right out of the box. TMY completely eliminates the hidden cost of home projection by including a wrinkle-free, high-contrast fabric screen that you can hang effortlessly indoors or outdoors, instantly maximizing image brightness and color pop. What makes this compact cinema hub a definitive asset for your entertainment schedule is its future-proof wireless connectivity and massive interface versatility. It features an integrated Bluetooth audio chip, allowing you to instantly bypass the built-in speaker and sync the audio wirelessly to your favorite Bluetooth soundbar, premium headphones, or high-power outdoor party speakers for immersive, theater-grade sound transmission. Engineered to handle any source file you throw at it, the side panel comes fully loaded with HDMI, USB, VGA, AV, and TF card slots. This makes it completely plug-and-play compatible with Amazon Fire TV sticks, Roku hardware, Apple TVs, desktop PCs, next-gen gaming consoles, and smartphones, giving you a lightweight, travel-friendly entertainment theater that is ready to roll anywhere. Click the link below for the best price and bring the big screen theater experience home today. If this breakdown helped you discover the ultimate budget-friendly home projector bundle, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the high-yield media gear that elevates your entertainment. See you in the next one.